In JavaScript, closures occur when a function retains access to variables from its parent scope. Even after the parent function has returned, closures allow for the creation of private variables and persistent data. Why are closures useful? Data privacy. Closures help create private variables that can't be accessed directly from the outside scope. Function factories. They allow for generating functions with specific, personalized behaviors. Event handling. Closures are commonly used in event handling to maintain state and keep your code more. Use cases. Module pattern. Helps to create modular and reusable code blocks. Memoization. Improves performance by caching results of expensive function calls. Callbacks and event listeners. Closures help maintain context in asynchronous code. Hoisting, on the other hand, refers to how JavaScript moves declarations, but not initializations, to the top of their scope during compilation. This means you can use variables or functions before they are declared. What get hoisted? Variable declarations, but not their values. Function declarations. You can call them before they're declared. Why does hoisting matter? Understanding this quirky behavior helps you write cleaner, bug-free code by explaining why things work the way they do.